Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up your mixing board audio interface to be able to take Skype calls. I have the Behringer USB mixing board, so it's plugged to the PC via USB. There's a few confusion theories online where you have to plug in and outs and all sorts. So I plug my earphone into the computer PC and I hear it from that. So if you're using this to make a Skype call for an interview, if you've got OBS Studio like I have, what you want to do is plug in your microphone, configure it in OBS, and then open up Skype and identify your microphone. So in Skype, you can select the three dots and go to the settings and then the audio and video, as I am here. And as part of that, when you scroll down, you'll say you can pick which microphone you want to use. You can see here I'm using the microphone which is a USB audio interface, and that is where your audio is going to be coming from and going to the person you're calling. And the speakers themselves I've selected as the computer speakers, so they come into my ear so I can hear the caller. That way that audio doesn't go back into the audio board and get like a loop, which seems to be happening to people. So here I can test this. You should have heard that ringing there, and I can actually perform a test call. So in this menu, if you go right down, what a test call does is it pretends that you're calling Skype. It asks you to leave a message and then it plays the message back to you. If you hear the message playing back to you, that means you configured it properly, because that's what your person you're calling will hear, your caller. So let's make a free test call.
Testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hello, this is a test call for Skype. This is a test call for Skype. There you go. So that confirms that my audio's.
If you are able to hear your own
Yes.
voice, then you have configured Skype correctly.
Yes, so I heard my own voice, has configured Skype correctly. The main two things to remember is monitor via your PC mic and use the USB microphone in Skype to record, and the speakers, select those as your PC speakers. That's the main issue. If you want to hear it and monitor it through your USB audio interface, that's when you have to do all that plugging. But that's a bit too complicated. So to avoid that, set it up this way and you can make successful Skype calls. I'll leave a link to a couple of calls I've made using this setup so you can see how that works.